Welcome to the AI Generation channel.
In this video, I will show you 3 simple AI tools for converting a simple image into a full-length video. All links are in the description below. Let's start. Tool number 1, Leopix AI. Go to convertleopix.com. This tool is super easy to use and all you need is register on their platform with your email or Google account. Now just upload your image by clicking on the upload button. Near your image, you'll find 6 options that you can play with and tune them up to get your desired image. Let me change some of these attributes. When you're ready, just click on the share button to download your video. You can save your video in MP4 or GIF formats. Click on Save. Let's take a look at our result. Tool number 2, Cutout Pro. Go to Cutout.pro, then click on Product on the top menu and then Photo Animator, or you can click on the link in the description under this video. To upload your image, just click on the button. After uploading, video generation will start automatically. You can choose your output by selecting different options available in the exemplar menu. Once you're satisfied with the output, just click on download to get your video. Let's take a look at our result. Tool number 3, Myheritage AI. Open Myheritage.com. This website specializes in family trees and genealogy. And here we can find some amazing tools. One of them is a photo animator. You can animate your old family photos with this tool. To do this, you need to register on their platform using your email or Google account. After creating your account, click on Photos on the top menu and then Animate Photos. Or you can click on the link in the description under this video. Then upload your photo to the platform and let them work their magic. Now just click on the download button to download the video that this AI tool has just created. Let's take a look at our result. And that's not all. Now I'll show you another nice trick. Click on Photos on the top menu and then select the Deep Story option. Upload the image you want to animate. Fill in the person's details and click Next. Here you can add your own script that you want the character to speak. Also, you can add new chapter and choose a topic from the list or add free text. You can change the voice options here. After everything is set, just click on Create a Deep Story and grab your cup of coffee while they make a magical video for you. Once you're satisfied with the output, just click on Download to get your video. Let's take a look at our result.
Good morning, honey.
Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share this video to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial.
Stay on the channel and find even more interesting and useful videos.